everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy 210 hardtop. Of course, you know there are a lot of Bel Airs, 210s, and even Nomads that have come through Skyway Classics. But if you're looking for a freshly redone 210, ready to hit the road, ready to hit the shows, then this is definitely the car for you. Going the one we have here featuring an exquisite turquoise and black two-tone exterior. Of course, you know a lot of these older Chevys always had two-tones to really make their cars pop. But even so, it does feature the 20-inch chrome-style torque wheels with the fresh Blackwall tires. You will even see how clean the glass is, as followed by the trim. As I said, it is just a recent restoration car. Even so, as we move on later to the video, you'll see how nice this one actually is. But even so, if you look at it, you'll see it has the pretty little emblem in the front. Nice shape all around. It even has the single or actually dual mirrors on both sides, followed by the vent windows. Even so, you will see on the inside it is an automatic on the column with tilt wheel, as followed by an old style Impala steering wheel. It does have a 700 R4 transmission. Even so, you will see we have an upgraded Dakota digital instrument cluster, very accurate component all the way from the RPMs, fuel, and even so on. But even so, even in the walk around video, you'll realize that this does have sniper injection, which is what this little screen is here, giving you more of the vitals as the vehicle is running. But even so, you will see it does have that fine turquoise all the way around the interior, from the dash to the seats, even the post there. And I do want to mention that this is a custom-made interior. As you can even see by the stitching, it does match the entire color of the car. But even so, you have that fine bench seat right here. You have an upgraded audio system with a power antenna. You may have even heard that during the walk-around video. Even so, you will see all the way into the back, it has been fully upgraded with the nice stylish interior, all the fun stuff you can get. It is especially roomier than a lot of the newer cars that you get today. But even so, let's get into the engine bay featuring a 383 upgraded stroker. Of course, you know the strokers were always the kind of motors that really had that purr, had that takeoff. Even so, right now there's nobody behind us. We'll open it a little bit. And even so, you will hear how good it sounds because it does have those headers on it, followed by a dual exhaust system coming to the back. Even so, you will see that it has the power brakes, power steering, and even so, we could brake for you right now to give you an idea of how safe it is. But even so, you have your controls for the AC on the bottom for the vintage air, and even so, all that fun stuff you can get. But even so, just the simplicity of this car, the power of this car is definitely one you'd want to take home to the shows. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.